Hello students, welcome to NCERT Academy. Today we are going to learn class 9th Maths Chapter 2 Polynomials Part 13 NCERT Exercise 2.5 Question 1 to 4.
Hello students, welcome to NCERT Academy once again. Now we are going to solve the last exercise, that is exercise 2.5 of this chapter. Exercise 2.5 textbook page number 48. Now friends, what is the first question given in 2.5? The first question given is use suitable identities to find the following products. Use suitable identities to find the following products. Okay. So what is the first sum of this? X plus 4 into x plus 10. So friends, which identity it is? X plus a into x plus b. This step x remains same and a and b are different. So what is the solution of this? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So solution of this is x square, that is x the whole square, plus a plus b. Here what is my x? X is x. Instead of a, what I am taking? 4. Instead of b, what I am taking? 10. So it will be what? X square, that is x the whole square, plus this is my solution. So x square plus a plus b, that is a plus b is what? 4 plus 10 into x. X is what? X is x only, plus ab. Last term is ab. So that is what? A into b, that is 4 into 10. So it is what? X square plus 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 into x is 14x, plus 4 into 10 is 40. So this is my answer. Okay friends, move to the next sum. Second sum is x plus 8 and x minus 10. It is again the same identity only, but instead of x, what I have to use? Instead of x, there is x only. Instead of a is my plus and b is negative. So instead of a, I have to take 8, and instead of b, I have to take 10. So what will be the solution of this? X square, that is x the whole square, plus a plus b into x. I am writing here a is what? 8, plus b is what? Minus 10 into x plus ab. ab is what? 8 into minus 10. So it will be x square plus 8 plus into minus is minus, so 8 minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10 is what? Minus 80. So further I'll get what? X square. 8 minus 10 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 into plus is minus, so minus 2x it will be. And here also plus into minus, this sign will be multiplied. So plus into minus is what? Minus, so it will be minus 80. So this is my answer of second one. Okay friends, next is the third sum, that is 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. Again the same identity friends. X plus a, x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now here instead of x, what I have to take is, instead of x it is 3x. Instead of a, what I have to take is 4. Instead of b, what I have to take is minus 5. So this will be the solution. Let us write the solution part. X square is what? 3x the whole square, plus a plus b into x. A is what? 4, plus b is what? Minus 5 into x. X is what? My 3x, plus ab, that is a into b, that is 4 into minus 5. So it will be what? 3x square is what? 9x square, plus 4 plus into minus is what? Minus 5 into 3x, plus 4 into minus 5. These two are multiplied. So plus into minus is minus, 4 5s are 20. Now it will be 9x square plus 4 into minus 5 is what? Minus 1. 4 into minus 5 is minus 1 into 3x plus into minus, this will again converted into minus, so it will be minus 20. Okay, so it is 9x square plus minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x minus 20. Again here plus into minus is what? Minus, so it is 9x square minus 3x minus 20. So this is my final answer, friends. Okay. Next sum, that is sum number 4. Fourth sum is y square plus 3 upon 2 into y square minus 3 upon 2. Now friends, so here it is another identity, that is x plus y into x minus y. What was the solution? X square minus y square. Here instead of x, what is there? Y. Okay. So this, what will be the solution of this? X square minus y square. So x, instead of x it is y square, and instead of y it is 3 upon 2. So this is in this form. X plus y is what? Y square plus 3 upon 2, and x minus y is in this form. Y minus y square minus 3 upon 2. So solution of this is what? X the whole square, x square minus y square. So it will be x square, that is y square the whole square. This is my x, and uska bhi square, that is y square ka bhi square, the square of this, minus y square. Y square is what? 3 upon 2 the whole square. So it will be y power of power, we multiply the powers, that is 2 into 2, it will be what? Y square ka square kya ho jayega? 4, y raised to power 4, minus 3 ka square kya ho jayega? 3 3s are 9, and 2 ka square, 2 2s are 4. So answer is what? Y raised to 4 minus 9 upon 4 is the answer. So this is this form, this form the answer will be. So answer is what? Y4 minus 9 upon 4. Is it clear, friends? Shall I rub this now? Again the next sum, fifth sum is again with that only, that identity only we are going to use. 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. It is same way, but here the minus 1 is taken first and the plus 1 part is taken afterwards. So there is no change in that. The identity will remain as it is. So it is a minus b, a plus b. So solution is what? A square minus b square, that is 3 the whole square minus b the whole square, that is 2x the whole square, that is what? 9 minus 2 का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? 4. x the whole square क्या हो जाएगा? 4x square. So this is my answer. So hope this is clear, friends. Now we move to the next question, that is question number 2. What is question 2? Evaluate. We are given evaluate using identities. Okay? Using identities. I am not writing the whole question, I am directly doing the sum. First one is 103 into 107. So which identity we can use and evaluate? We can write this as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. So it is in the form of what? X plus a into x plus b. This identity will be using. So it will be x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. So here instead of x, what I am taking? Instead of x I am taking 100. Instead of a, what I am taking? 3. Instead of b, instead of a I am taking 3. Instead of b, what I am taking? 7. So 7. So solution will be in this form. So if I multiply these two, x plus a and x plus b, answer will be in this form. So it is x square, that is 100 the whole square, plus a plus b. So what is a plus b? 3 plus 7 into x. What is x? Again 100 plus ab, that is 3 into 7. So it is 100 square is what? 10,000. 2 0 are there. If you square it becomes 4 zeros, plus 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 into 100 is what? 1000 plus 21. So it is 10,000 plus 1,000. This multiplied will get 1,000 plus 21. So 10,000 plus 1,000, that is 11,000 plus 21, we get 11,021. So this is my answer. Okay, friends. This is how we evaluate using the identity. Then the next one, question number 2. So friends, now moving to the next question of the textbook. Question second, sum of question second, that is 95 into 96. Now see friends, this also can be evaluated by the same identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. The x plus a into x plus b is what? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. But there are two ways in which we can solve this sum. We can take this as 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 4. 100 minus 5 is 95 and 100 minus 4 is 96. We can take like this way also, and we can also take as 90 plus 5 is 95 into 90 plus 6 is 96. Okay friends, now in the first case what we will say is, instead of x we are taking as 100, instead of a we are taking as minus 4, and instead of b we are taking, instead of a we are taking as minus 5, and instead of b we are taking as minus 4. So it will be what? X square, that is 100 square, plus a plus b, that is minus 5, plus minus 4 is minus 4 into x is what? 100, plus ab, that is minus 5 into minus 4. So it will be what? 10,000. 100 square will be 10,000, plus minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 into 100, plus minus minus will become plus, so it will be 5 4s are 20. So it is 10,000 plus minus is minus, 9 into 100 is 900, plus 20. So what will be my answer? 10,000 minus 900 is 10 minus 1 9, 9, and this will got 0, so 9100 plus 20. So your answer will be what? 9120. Right friends? Now this was method 1. Now we are doing the another method. Okay, 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6. But here in case of x, what we are taking as x is taken as 90. Instead of a we are taking as 5 plus 5, and instead of b we are taking as plus 6. Here a and b were both negative, and here a and b were positive, are positive. So let us do with this sum, this method. 90 the whole square, that is x square, plus a plus b into x, that is a plus b is what? 5 plus 6 into x is 90, plus ab, that is 5 into 6, that is 9 का square क्या होता है? 81. So 8100, 90 square will be 8100, plus 5 plus 6 is what? 11 into 90, plus 5 into 6 is what? 30. Okay, so it will be 8100 plus 11 9s are 99 into 10 is 990 plus 30. So it will be 8100 plus 990 plus 30. Here we have to add all the three. See, so 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 carried forward, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 9. So here also friends, you see we get the same answer. Okay, so any one of this can be implied over here. So hope this is clear friends. Now we move to the next topic, next sum. Sum number 3 of this. It is 104 into 96. Now see friends, the same identity again. X plus a into x plus b is what? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. But here what we will do is, we can write this as 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. We can do with this identity also, but the easiest one is what? Here a x is also equal and this one is also equal. So instead of doing this identity, we can go for x plus y and x minus y. X plus y and x minus y. See, x is same 100 and y is also same 4 and there is plus sign in the first one and minus sign in the second one. So what is the solution of this identity? This identity's solution is what? X square minus y square. So directly we can do this. We can take x as 100 and y as 4. So it will be x square minus y square, that is 100 the whole square minus y, that is 4 the whole square, that is 100 square is what? 10,000. Okay, and 4 square is what? 16. So 10,000 minus 16, what you will get? 9984. So this is your 9,984 is your answer. So hope this is clear, friends. Now we move to the next part, that is question number 3 of the exercise. Question 3 is, what does question 3 say? Factorize by using appropriate identities. You have to factorize it. Okay, so expansion is given and we have to factorize. What is the first? 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Now see, friends, which identity will shoot over here? First and the last term is perfect square and there is plus sign in between and last. So we can directly say that it can be in the x plus y the whole square, that is x square plus y, x square plus 2xy plus y square. So this is the expansion form. And this is the factors, that is factors. So we are given these, now we have to find these factors over here. Okay, so let us check whether this expansion is correct. So let the first term is perfect square, yes. What is the perfect square root of, what is square root of 9? 3. What is square root of x square? X, that is 3x the whole square. This is 3x the whole square will be what? 9x square plus लास्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर, तो वो y का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है y स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, leave two brackets between them and put the first x term, that is 3x over here, and the last y term, that is y over here, and then you see, check whether this middle term is equal to this middle term. Okay, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into xy, this is 6xy, yes, so it matches with this term. So clear cut from this we understand that this is expansion form of this, but instead of x, what is over x over here? 3x. Okay, plus instead of y, there is y over here, so 3x plus y the whole square will be the answer of this. So expansion. So this is factor. Okay, this was expansion, so we have found out the factors. So the factors of this expansion will be 3x plus y into 3x plus y, that is 3x plus y the whole square. Now second sum. What is the second sum? 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Okay, so this is also again perfect square. Now see, x minus y the whole square वाली identity थी, तो उसका expansion क्या हो सकता है? x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now friends, कैसे मेरे को पता चला कि ये x minus y the whole square की identity हो सकती है? Because see here this sign is minus and the last sign is plus. Here also in this sign it is minus and the last sign is plus, and the first and the last term are perfect square. Here also first and the last term are perfect square. So 4y square is perfect square of what? 2y the whole square minus 2 into 2 brackets plus 1 is perfect square of what? 1. So this is my x and this is my y. So instead of 2xy, I put 2 into 2y and into 1. So now see whether this middle term matches with this term. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1 is 4 into y is 4y, and there is minus sign over here. So this and this term matches over here. So it is clear cut expansion form of which factor? X minus y the whole square. So what is my, instead of x, what is over here? 2y, and minus y, instead of y, what is y over here? 1. So minus 1 the whole square. So this is my these are my factors. 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1 are the factors, so I can write it as 2y minus 1 the whole square. So this was my again expansion, and I was asked to find the factors, factorize, so I found out the factorize. So you should be clear that what is given and what you have to find. Okay, so this is the solution of second sum. Now we move to the next sum. Question 3, third sum, that is x square minus y square upon 100. Now see, here there is perfect squares, first and last term is perfect square, and there between is minus sign. So there is an identity like this way, x square minus y square. So what is the solution of this? X minus y and x plus y. So this was my expansion, and these are my factors. Okay, so my answer will be in this form only. So this is expansion of which? X square, so it is equal to x the whole square minus y square upon 100 is perfect square of what? Y upon 10 the whole square. Okay, so now this is in this form, x square minus y square. So solution will be what? X minus y and x plus y. Instead of x there is x only, minus instead of y there is y upon 10. So x minus y upon 10 and x plus y upon 10. This will be my solution. These are my factors of this. Is it clear, friends? Now we move to the next question, that is question number 4. That is question number 4 is on page 49. Page 49. We move to the next page, question number 4. What is given in question 4? Expand each of the following. Now see friends, this is opposite of the previous question. In previous question we have to factorize, and in this question we have to expand. Okay, using identities. Now see, the first one is x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. Now these are the factors and we have to expand. So remember the identity, x plus y plus z the whole square. These were the factors, and what was the identity of this? X plus y plus z the whole square is what? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So these form is my expansion. Okay, so this way I have to expand this. But before that I have to understand what is my x over here. X is x. Instead of y, what is given over here? 2y. And instead of z, what is given over here? 4z, the whole square. So solution, instead of x I have to take x, instead of y I have to take 2y, and instead of z I have to take 4z. And solution will be in this form. So that is x square. So x square will be x the whole square plus y square की जगह पे क्या लिखूंगा? 2y the whole square plus z square की जगह क्या लिखूंगा? 4z the whole square plus 2xy, so 2 into 2 brackets plus 2yz, so 2 into 2 brackets plus 2zx, so 2 into 2 brackets. Okay, so xy की जगह क्या लिखूंगा? This first and the second term. So what is my first term? X, and second term is 2y. Then yz की जगह पे second and third term, that is 2y and 4z. So here I will write 2y and 4z. And zx की जगह पे third and the first term, that is 4z and x. Okay, so it will be x the whole square is what? X square. 2y square will be what? 2 का square 4, y का square 4y square plus 4z square will be what? 4 का square 16, z square plus 2 2s are 4 into xy is what? 4xy plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16yz, 16yz plus 2 4s are 8 into zx is 8zx. So this is my answer. This is my expansion of this x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. So hope it is understood, friends. Now next one is, now see, this whole question is based on this identity only. So I am not rubbing this identity, I am keeping as it is. Second one, Second one is what? 2x minus y plus z the whole square. Now see friends, over here instead of x what is given? 2x. Instead of y it is given as minus y. Okay, and instead of z it is given as z only. Okay, so what will be the solution of this? Solution of this will be x square, that is x, instead of x I'll write 2x the whole square, plus y square, instead of y I will write minus y the whole square, plus z square, instead of z I'll write z the whole square, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, that is 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. So xy, what is my x? X is 2x, and what is my y? Minus y. 2yz, that is minus y and z, and 2zx, that is z and 2x. Z and 2x. So here what I did, first and the second term, first and second term was 2x into minus y. Here what I did, second and the third term, that is minus y and z. And here what I did, third and the first term, that is z and 2x. Now if I solve this, it will be 4x square plus minus y का square क्या हो जाएगा, plus y square plus z square plus, now see friends, here there is a single negative sign over here, so this sign will become plus. If there are double signs, then it will remain plus only. This sign will become negative over here, and if there are double negative signs, then it will remain plus only. So here what we see, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into xy is 4xy, and minus 4xy, so it will be minus 4xy. Here also there is one single negative sign, so outside sign will become negative, plus into minus will be minus. 2 into yz is what? 2yz, plus 2 into z into 2x, 2 2s are 4, 4 into zx is what? 4zx. Okay, so this is my answer. Is it clear friends? Now we move to the next question. Third. Now see the third sum. Third sum is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. Okay, so instead of x I am writing here as minus 2x, instead of y I am taking as 3y, and instead of z I am taking 2z. So again the same identity, x square, instead of x square I will write 2 minus 2x the whole square, plus y square is 3y the whole square, plus z square I will write 2z the whole square, plus 2xy, that is 2 into minus 2x, sorry I am keeping the brackets only first, plus 2xy. So first and the second term, that is minus 2x and minus 3y, so minus 2x and 3y. Second and the third term is 3y and 2z, 2yz, 3y and 2z. Okay, and 2zx, that is 2z and minus 2x, that is 2z and minus 2x. So it will be minus 2 का square क्या हो जाएगा, 4, x का square x square, plus 3 का square 9, y square, plus 4z square. Now see, there is plus one negative sign over here, तो बाहर minus sign हो जाएगी, 2 2 से 4 3 से 12 xy, यहाँ पे सब प्लस है तो प्लस रहेगी, 2 3 से 6 6 plus 2 12 12 yz, प्लस यहाँ पे there is one negative sign, so 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 zx, but it will be minus because there is one minus sign, so it will become minus over here, minus 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 zx, zx or xz. So this is my solution of the third sum. Now we move to the fourth sum. Fourth sum is 3a minus 7b minus c the whole square. Here instead of x it is 3a, instead of y it is minus 7b, and instead of z it is minus c. Solution of this will be x square. X square will be what? 3a the whole square plus y square, that is minus 7b the whole square, plus z square, that is minus c the whole square. Okay, plus 2xy, that is 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. नाउ एक्स वाई में मैं फर्स्ट और सेकंड टर्म लेता हूं, तो दैट इज 3a एंड माइनस 7b. आई पुट हियर 3a एंड माइनस 7b. वाई जेड में सेकंड और थर्ड टर्म लेता हूं मैं, तो माइनस 7b एंड माइनस सी. माइनस 7b एंड माइनस सी विल गेट मल्टीप्लाइड, एंड जेड एक्स में माइनस सी विल मल्टीप्लाइड विद 3a. सो माइनस सी एंड 3a. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो इट विल बी व्हाट, 3a का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा 9a स्क्वायर, प्लस माइनस 7 का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा 49b स्क्वायर, एंड माइनस साइन विल गेट रिमूव बिकॉज देयर इज स्क्वायर ऑफ इट, प्लस माइनस c का स्क्वायर, माइनस साइन will again get removed over here and it will become c square. Here friends there is one negative sign, so outside the sign will remain negative only. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, a into b is 42ab. Here friends there are two negative signs, so it will become minus into minus will plus. So 2 7s are 14, 14 into bc, that is 14bc plus 14bc. Okay, and here there is one negative sign, so outside sign will remain minus. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 into ca, that is 6ca. Okay, so this is my answer. Now the fifth sum. The fifth sum says what? Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z the whole square. Now friends, here instead of x what I have to take as minus 2x, instead of y I have to take as 5y, and instead of z I have to take as 3z. So what will be the expansion of this? X square, that is minus 2x the whole square, plus y square, that is 5y the whole square, plus z square, that is minus 3z the whole square, plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. ओके, सो xy में मैं क्या लेता हूँ, फर्स्ट और द सेकेंड टर्म. तो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है माइनस 2x और सेकेंड टर्म क्या है 5y. xy yz में क्या लेना है 5y और माइनस 3z, तो पुट हियर 5y एंड माइनस 3z, एंड zx में माइनस 3z एंड माइनस 2x, तो माइनस 3z एंड माइनस 2x. सो व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन ओवर हियर? माइनस 2 का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा 4 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इज 4x स्क्वायर. 5 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 25 इंटू वाई स्क्वायर इज 25y स्क्वायर, प्लस माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 9, 9 इंटू जेड स्क्वायर इज 9z स्क्वायर. Here there is one negative sign, so outside sign will become minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 into xy is 20xy. Here there is again one negative sign, so outer sign will remain minus. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30yz, so it will be 30yz. Here there are two negative signs, so minus minus it will become plus. 2 3s are 6, so here sign will be plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 zx, so it will be 12zx or xz. So this is my answer. Answer number 5. And the last one, 6. The sixth one is also with 1 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 the whole square. So here friends, instead of x I have to take 1 upon 4a, instead of y I have to take minus 1 upon 2b, and instead of z I have to take 1. Okay, so solution set is x square. So instead of x square what I have to take is 1 upon 4a the whole square, plus you can keep this a numerator side also because it is numerator only, plus y square, that is minus 1 upon 2b the whole square, plus z square, that is 1 square, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so instead of ab I'll write this first and the second term, that is 1 upon 4a into minus 1 upon 2b. Instead of bc, that is yz, I'll write the second and the third term, that is minus 1 upon 2b and 1. And here I'll write third and the first term, that is 1 and 1 upon 4a. Okay, so what will be the answer over here? 1 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 1 upon 4 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 16, a का स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर, that is 1 upon 16a स्क्वायर, plus minus 1 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा minus 1 will be what 1, अपॉन 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 4 एंड b का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा b स्क्वायर. तो दैट विल बी 1 अपॉन 4b स्क्वायर प्लस 1 प्लस. Now see these two and these two get cancelled, or else you get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. Anything you can get cancelled. So here in this whole term there is one negative sign, so outside sign will remain negative. Now 1 into 1, 1. A into B is AB. So 1 into 1 is 1 and नीचे क्या रहेगा 4. That is denominator में 4 रहेगा. So A into B will remain AB. That is 1 upon 4 AB. Plus here also there is one negative sign, so outer sign will be negative and this 2 will get cancelled. So minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 b upon 1. You don't keep one downside, then also it is okay, that is minus 1b. Then plus here what it will be, plus these 2 will get cancelled with this 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. So it will be 1 into 1 into 1 is what? 1 upon denominator it will remain 2 into a. So this will be my final answer. Is it clear, friends? So with this we end the first 4th questions in this part. In the next part we'll continue with the question number 5. Thank you, friends.
Thank you students for watching this video. To view our next part, please click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.